Hare Krishna. The most damaging consequence of indulgence is nonchalance towards indulgence. When we do something repeatedly, even if it is wrong and even if we know it is wrong, we start losing our moral bearings and we start doing that thing nonchalantly. So, for example, if a person goes to a slaughterhouse and first time kills animals, at that time their hand trembles. They can see this living being, how can they kill? A person joins a gang and first time they kill someone, they shudder at the thought of killing someone. But then if they keep killing animals or even human beings, after that killing just becomes another activity for them. Sometimes people kill animals as if they are cutting vegetables. So what has happened? They are doing something which is grievously wrong. They are going to get serious karmic reactions for that. But these karmic reactions are not the most serious consequence of that wrongdoing. The most serious, the most damaging consequence is that their sense that they are doing wrong has become numbed. And therefore they will keep doing wrong again and again and often more and more. And thus they will be accumulating more and more karma. When a person becomes a drug addict, first time they may spend their hard-earned money to get drugs, but later on they will steal, maybe from their own homes, then they may steal from somebody else's home, then they may attack and rob a person, even injure the person, and they are so numbed by that time that they don't even think about what they are doing. And we may say, I don't involve myself in such activities. That may be true, but we all indulge in sensuality. And when we engage in sensual activities, it is not just that the sensual activities damage our spiritual prospects. It is not just that those sensual activities will also have karmic reactions. The most damaging consequence of sensual indulgence is that it numbs our conscience. It makes us, it induces nonchalance about the indulgence. And that's how we keep doing it again and again. And that's how we get terribly bound, not just by the karmic reactions, but also by the reinforced inclinations, by the strengthened conditionings. Krishna talks about this in the Bhagavad Gita in the 3rd chapter. Tasmat tvamindriyanyadav niyamya bharatarshabha papamanam prajahiya enam jnana vijnana nashanam. Therefore, Arjuna, learn to control your senses. Learn to curb selfish desire, kama. Otherwise, what will happen? Jnana vijnana nashanam. It destroys knowledge, it destroys the urge for knowledge. Krishna has said earlier also in 3.37 that Mahashano Mahapapma Vidyena miha vairinam Kamesha Krodesha Rajoguna Samudbhavaha. He says this is all devouring sinful enemy and it devours everything. So it devours our conscience. And that is what we need to watch out for. So that's why we need to associate more and more with people who are aware of the gravity of the indulgence, and we need to study scriptures which remind us of the gravity of the indulgence. And most importantly, we need to associate with people who are tasting the glory of transcendence and tasting the sweetness of devotion, and then we'll feel, for this, why am I missing this? And then we'll be inspired to resist the promptings for indulgence and to persevere in our practice of bhakti so that we can realize and relish our transcendental relationship with Krishna. Thank you. Hare Krishna.